Hello, awesome artists. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make some of this amazing marbled paper at home using nail polish. All right, let's get started. To make our marbled paper, you're going to need a shallow container to hold the water and the paint. You're going to need some nail polish. Any colors will do, it's up to you. You're going to need some pieces of paper that fit the size, that are cut to fit the size of the container you've chosen. Some sort of straight tool. You could use a toothpick, or I have a hairpin that I've just kind of straightened out. You could also use a paper clip. And then you need some sort of towel or paper towel to let your artwork dry on. All right, before you get started, make sure you ask your parents about these materials. Maybe your parents don't want you to use their nail polish, so please get permission before you get started. Also, the container will get ruined and won't be able to be used again for anything else. Certainly not to put food in. You can see I've got nail polish on the sides there from using this several times. All right, once you have permission for these materials, let's get started. All right, you're going to start by filling in your container with water. You just need about 1 inch of water, not a whole lot. And then you're going to be taking your nail polish and you're going to be dabbing it on top of the water. And when you do this, you want to act quickly, but you don't want to, you want to put the paint right on the surface of the water. So you don't want to make the droplets go from too high, or else they'll just drop down to the bottom of the container. Now, what I've learned after doing this several times is that you do need to work quickly if you're going to be using the tool to create the marbled effect. So for this one here, I'm going to show you how to do it without the marbled effect. So I'm just putting drops of nail polish on the surface of the water, as you can see. I'm using 2 different colors here. You can use as many as you would like. So I'm going to take the piece of paper, I'm going to set it on top of the water and then push down to the bottom. As soon as I push down, I'm going to pull it up and out, and there you go. I'm going to set that aside to dry and clean up my water and try another one. This time we're going to try to do the marbling effect. So same thing. You're going to put the nail polish on top of the surface of the water. And then you're going to take that tool that you have, whether it's a paper clip or a toothpick, you're going to take that and you're going to slowly drag it through the paint across the water to create a swirled effect. You don't want to swirl too much because it will collect on the tool and then you'll pull all of the paint out of the water. So just try and see what happens. Try some different techniques there. And then of course you're going to get your paper and you're going to pull a print. So here we go. Put the paper on top of the water and press all the way down to the bottom of the container and then pull it out.
That looks amazing. Oh no, it's on a different... That's amazing. I love that. I want that. I like those two are mine. And those two are mine.
The thing I love about this project is that you can experiment with different colors and different techniques, and each time you pull a print, you're going to get something new and exciting and different. I cannot wait to see what you create.